Warning, this footage is absolutely disturbing. A doorbell camera captured something that made police reopen a cold case from 15 years ago. The timestamp shows 3 a.m. when a figure in a vintage dress walks backward up to a door. But here's what's terrifying. That exact dress was what the missing woman wore the night she vanished. The house? It's where her husband still lives. He claims she ran away. Now detectives are digging up the basement. Because that woman walking backward, she's been legally dead for over a decade.